Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to game share and install a game on your Windows computer. So if you're using Steam and you want to game share, you just need to go to where it says Steam in the top left and go to Settings, then go to Family. And then there's going to be two different options. You're going to have one for create a family if you want to share your library with one of your friends, or join a family. If you receive an invite, you can get access to someone else's library. So I created a family. This is Timbo's family, and I have 3 people on here: my second account, my main account, and then my nephew. And then I can go to manage my Steam family, and I can invite additional people under here. All I have to do is go to invite a family member and search on my friends list. So make sure you add them as a friend. And once I have them added under here, I'll be able to add them to my family, and then they'll gain access to my library once they accept the invite. So just make sure you either create a family and invite people, or join a family if someone invites you. Just go to family management right here. Then to get the games, go to library right here. And then you should see all the games. Just make sure there's an option for all on the top right here. And you'll see all these grayed out games now. You can download them. So like Halo Master Chief Collection, this is from my main account's library. It's not from my account that I'm currently on. And I can install this onto my computer now. So it's very simple. You can see from your Steam game library. What is this? Party Animals. I've never downloaded this before in my life. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.